Hi, my name is Cassandra Campos. I am the Director of Admissions here at our San Antonio South Campus. Today I'm going to be taking you on a tour of our campus and showing you all of the programs that we offer. So go ahead and follow me this way. So the first program, our first stopping station is going to be our Medical Office Specialist program. Our Medical Office Specialist program is a program for students that want to work in the medical field but want to work more in the front office. They want to do scheduling and planning, getting all the patient's information when they're checking into the doctor. So they don't want to work directly with the patients like another program that we offer, but they want to get that hands-on experience of working in the front office. What I'm going to talk to you about next is our SCI Edge. So our SCI Edge is how our students get the competitive advantage and the leg up when they're going out in the job market against other candidates applying for the same position. So we have here our skill badges. With our medical office program, you can earn up to 13 skill badges. Our skill badges are your hard and soft skills that you master here while you're here at Southern Careers Institute. We also offer stackable certifications. Stackable certifications show employers that you've mastered these skills while you're here with Southern Careers. So when you're going out and you're interviewing against other candidates, it gives you that leg up because you not have one certification, but you have multiple. Do you see how that can help you when you're out interviewing for positions to have multiple certifications and multiple skills underneath your belt? So now what we're going to do, I want you to follow me this way so you can see the rest of the campus and the rest of the tour. So the next program that we're going to talk about is our Medical Assistant program. So our Medical Assistant program is for a student that wants to work directly with a patient. You can work in a doctor's office, in a clinic, in a hospital, and you get that hands-on training that we offer here. So this is one of our medical assistant clinics. This is where you get your hands-on training. Medical assistant you can finish within as little as 9 months. So it's a short-term program for a long-term career. So you learn multiple things. You learn phlebotomy, EKG technician, front office and back office because we do cross-train here. Can you see how hands-on training helps our students prepare for getting into their chosen career fields? So now follow me so we can see the rest of the tour. Here we have our Nurse Aid program. Our Nurse Aid program is a 5-week course that helps you get the certification of a certified nursing assistant. In our Nurse Aid program, you learn over 42 nursing skills that helps you work in places like a long-term care facility, a nursing home, or even a hospital. You can see how our 5-week Nurse Aid program gets you the stepping stone into your nursing career. Now follow me for the rest of the tour. So this is our Medical Billing and Coding program. With our Medical Billing and Coding program, it's for students that want to work in the medical field but don't want to have that face-to-face interaction with the patient. If you want to work directly in the front office, we train you how to do that. Or if you want to work with helping doctors bill out to their clients or to insurance companies. So it gives you multiple opportunities within this program. Do you see how SCI prepares our students to have multiple opportunities within their chosen career program? Now follow me for the rest of the tour. Here we have our Pharmacy Technician Lab. For our Pharmacy Technician program, it's a 9-month program. Our Pharmacy Technician program is for students that want to work in the medical field but want to work directly with medicine. As a pharmacy technician, you will learn things like pharmacology and learning all the different medications and what goes in them. So as you can see, in our Pharmacy Technician Lab, we give our pharmacy technician students the hands-on training to get into their field of medicine. Now let's continue the rest of the tour. So our next stop is our Administrative Assistant program. Our Administrative Assistant program is a 6-month program which helps you specialize in things like Microsoft Office, Microsoft Outlook, Microsoft PowerPoint. So you learn the hard and soft skills of being able to work in a front office or work for a larger corporation. Now follow me for the rest of the tour. Here we have our Business Accounting Specialist program. For our Business Accounting Specialist program, you can finish within as little as 9 months to a year. As a Business Accounting Specialist student, you will learn various things like accounting foundations, bookkeeping, keyboarding, business communication, and at the end of your program, you have the opportunity to earn your Intuit QuickBooks certification. Do you see how our Business Accounting Specialist program helps our students get into the field of accounting within less than a year? Now follow me for the rest of the tour. Here we have our Cosmetology program. Our Cosmetology program is for students that love making people feel beautiful. You learn hair cutting, hair coloring, nails, makeup. We teach you the whole entire beauty wheel so that when you leave here, you have multiple loops on your belt. Here we are in our Southern Star Salon. This is where our cosmetology students get their hands-on practice for their licensure. Do you see how we get you job ready on day one? Now follow me for the rest of the tour. Here we have our Automotive Apprenticeship program. With our Automotive Apprenticeship, you get to earn while you learn. So prior to starting classes, our admissions team and career services team up so that way we can help you get a job at a local dealership. In the dealership, you're able to practice your hands-on training, and you also practice here, as you can see in our lab. And you can get the hands-on training and skills needed to earn your ASC certification when you graduate. So you can see that you get the hands-on skills that employers are looking for. So now follow me for the rest of the tour. Here we have our career services team. Have you ever had the stress of having to look for a job alone? Here at SCI, we have our career services team partner with you side by side and eliminate that stress and help you with job searching. Can you see how partnering with our career services team helps our students break into their new careers? Here at SCI, we offer small classroom sizes, as you can see. Our students have told us that this allows them to get that one-on-one support that they need from their instructors. You will learn on ground, face-to-face with your instructors, and you will also learn hybrid. This allows you to be able to have classes where you're on ground and you will be learning remotely as well. Thank you for taking the time and coming with me on this tour. We look forward to helping you get into your chosen career field. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.